All right, everyone. Hopefully you guys are having a good day. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at some of the gaming on the Motorola Edge 2022. Stay tuned. So I got a lot of questions on the gaming aspect of the Motorola Edge 2022, and I'm going to be showing you some gaming on this device. I know a lot of people want to see how Genshin Impact runs. A lot of people want to see how, obviously, Call of Duty Mobile and PUBG on this device. So we have 3 games right here. We're going to be testing out Genshin Impact, PUBG Mobile, and Call of Duty Mobile. And we're going to go from least graphic intensive to most right now. So we're going to start with Call of Duty Mobile and see how this goes. All right, everyone. And do keep in mind we also have stereo speakers on this. So this is going to actually be really, really loud. Really great for gaming. So even if you cover up this speaker, you're still going to be able to hear. Let's see how this goes, though. Definitely very comfortable playing Call of Duty Mobile in the hand with this device. It's going to be a good device for that. Oof.
Enemy contact. Sniper. Predator missile on standby. Get down, sniper. Sniper down. Enemy contact. Tango down. Tango down. Target's inside.
So running completely fine. As you guys can see, we're going to go ahead and check out our graphics. They're on high, and we have max frame rate as well. So it's running great on these settings right here. We're not having any issues, it looks like. And we're going to go ahead and try a kill streak right now. So let's go ahead and try this out.
Predator missile inbound. Friendly hunter-killer drone deployed. UAV online. Need backup. Tango down.
Got our flamethrower.
Recon standing by.
Game looks great though. Not having any issues playing this so far. Really comfortable in the hands as well. 6.6 inches I'd say is perfect. And yeah, no issues with this. No hiccups, no anything. So great for Call of Duty Mobile. Next game we have is going to be PUBG Mobile, as you guys can see. And we're just going to load this up and check it out. Alright guys, so it looks like it sets our graphics right here to HD and then our frame rate to high. But we're going to put that on Ultra. And it looks like this option is not available for a device on Ultra HD for graphics. HDR it works though. So let's go ahead and set it to those. And see how this goes. So far though, it looks great. Definitely looks better than normal. Frame rate is smooth. Everything is loaded in as well. You can see the we have high performance mode. So let's go and enable that. And it looks like that is the highest we have right here. So we're gonna go and drop. Turn off my teammates' mics. Let's go and unfollow and then jump. Looks beautiful though so far. I noticed that animation doesn't load in for a lot of different devices with the mist or the clouds or whatever, so nice that that loads in. Looks like all our details and textures are loading in pretty nicely on this. See what happens when we land though. Awesome. So it looks great so far. As you guys can see, I'm terrible at driving. Seems to be running nicely though. Alright guys, we got action. Okay, we got him down. Don't see any glitching or anything on this so far. Looks like we have someone else. So we got 2 eliminations, but this runs perfectly fine. Graphics look beautiful in this game as well. and doesn't seem to have any heating issues so far either, so great to see that. And next we have Genshin Impact. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like. I believe I have Genshin Impact set up on the highest graphical settings. Let me go ahead and check it out right now. Alright guys, so going to graphics right here, as you guys can see, we have them set at the highest. And then as far as our render resolution, we have high, shadow quality high, visual effects high, and then our FPS is going to be at 60. And as you guys see, it is overclocked. So this is the highest settings we can go up to, and this is how it looks. So it looks really, really good on this phone. I mean, this game in general is very beautiful. If you haven't played this, I definitely recommend trying this out. But this plays absolutely beautifully on this device. Very impressive. There we go. So this game looks absolutely beautiful. It runs fine at the highest graphical settings. Everything's rendering nicely. As you guys can see, we have the castle in the background. It may be getting a little warm right now, but that's really the only issue I see. So everything looks really good on this device though. Great that it can run Genshin Impact, and obviously you guys can set this to lower settings. You don't have to set it at the highest frame rate and highest graphical settings like I did. But this looks really, really good, and you guys are gonna have a great time if you love this game on the Motorola Edge 2022. Yeah guys, that was my gaming review on the Moto Edge 2022. I was honestly pretty impressed with the performance that I've seen thus far. If you guys have any questions, or you guys want to go ahead and leave your little 2 cents in there, definitely go in the comment section down below and go ahead and do that. But hopefully this video was helpful to you. This has been Safan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.